Man, I just had a monster bolt just miss that tree, man. Came within a few hundred yards of my inverted V. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, Mother Nature, give us another. Give me a bolt for my channel, Mom Nature. Come on. You can even hit the damn antenna, I don't care. Ah, come on. Look, my tractor's stranded in a storm. Hope he's okay. Come on, damn it. Nobody will ever take me seriously when I tell them I live in the land of wicked weather. Well, I tried. Sadly, no QRP today. Come on, man, give me a bolt, damn it. 2 more seconds. 73. And just like that, I clicked the stop button and I got a big one over here. I got a big one over here. Yeah. I'd like to say that that's what she said, but God, did we need this rain. The back 40 was dying. The back 40 feet. Hey, there goes my deck bunny. I scared her. Oh no. I hope she comes back. I got a little deck bunny that lives under there. 73.